The world is changing fast, and AI is at the heart of this transformation. But for AI to reach its full potential, it needs a solid foundation. Powerful data centers and advanced semiconductor facilities that run without interruption. This is where SK ecoplant comes in. We are evolving into a core partner, delivering and operating essential AI infrastructure that drives our customers' innovation. Building on our proven engineering expertise, we've created a complete value chain by integrating the strengths of our specialized subsidiaries. Gas and material, supplying key semiconductor resources, and asset lifecycle, managing the full lifecycle of IT assets. Now, let's explore SK ecoplant's vision as an AI Infra Solution Provider as we step forward to become a key partner in the AI era. Building on this expertise, we are now fully committed to the Yongin Semiconductor Cluster, a key national strategic project. With a 3-story multi-fab complex, we are establishing a critical hub to meet the growing global demand for HBM. By integrating advanced water treatment solutions, we also enable more sustainable fab operations. SK ecoplant's leadership continues in the data center space. As high-performance GPUs generate intense heat and power demand continues to surge, we address these challenges with next-generation cooling technologies and high-efficiency SOFC fuel cells. Across engineering, procurement, and construction, our end-to-end integrated execution ensures seamless delivery. By directly applying SOFC to data centers, we are strengthening our position as a high-efficiency energy provider. These capabilities set a new standard, delivering reliable and cost-effective power for the rapidly growing AI data center market. Once a semiconductor fab is complete, that's when true semiconductor manufacturing begins. SK ecoplant's subsidiaries complete the value chain by directly supplying the essential materials that power the manufacturing process. SK AirPlus provides a stable supply of high-quality industrial gases, including nitrogen, argon, and oxygen, which are critical to semiconductor yield. Our materials capabilities are truly differentiated. SK Materials Performance supplies EUV photoresists, the key to advancing AI chip miniaturization. SK Resonac established Korea's first facility for synthesizing high-precision etching gases. SK Trichem develops advanced precursors for next-generation deposition processes. SK Materials JNC produces blue dopants, one of the most technically challenging materials for high-resolution displays. Together, SK ecoplant leads localization and technological advancement in semiconductors and advanced industries, building a solid foundation for AI infrastructure. Completing this ecosystem is our asset lifecycle solution, driving sustainable resource circulation. SK ecoplant diversifies global supply chains by perfecting the closed-loop resource circulation system. SK TES operates 4 dedicated facilities in North America, the world's largest data center market. Here, we securely erase data from data center servers and IT equipment, then recover and recycle key components through comprehensive ITAD services, targeting the global market. These recovered resources begin a new journey the moment they reach EssenceCore. As a global memory leader, EssenceCore transforms them into high-performance memory and SSD products, delivering greater value to premium customers worldwide. SK TES manages the resource end, while EssenceCore creates the new beginning. Together, they complete a seamless, sustainable resource cycle. Beyond design and construction, SK ecoplant builds the foundation of AI infrastructure. From supplying essential materials that drive process innovation, the new standard for AI infrastructure. AI Infra Solution Provider, SK ecoplant.